Welcome to this video, where we introduce you to the M-Files Aino AI assistant and how it can transform your workflow and make your daily work easier. Let's jump straight in. Imagine you're an employee in general management and you need to review the ISO 9001-2015 standard requirements document. You might be wondering, what should general management know about this standard? Instead of sifting through the entire document, you can simply ask M-Files Aino. Aino immediately provides a concise summary, highlighting key points relevant to general management. Aino can look for information that is in the documents and even reference other documents. If asked to search, Aino may respond with a few examples, but it should not be expected to respond with a definitive list of results. You can direct Aino to look for answers in a single document or a group of documents like views, referenced objects, and even looking for answers in your entire vault. Aino is conversational, which means that if you have any follow-up questions, Aino will consider previous questions and answers when responding. This is where the chat history comes in handy. Aino will save the conversations you've had, so you can access them more easily if you need to continue with the topic. If you have a new question you want Aino to answer, it's better to start a new chat in order to get the relevant information. Another amazing feature is that Aino can extract metadata properties from a single document and help you populate the metadata card with this information. By asking M-Files Aino questions about the document, you can have it extract information from the document content and save them as individual metadata values one by one. Or M-Files Aino can analyze the entire document for you and automatically add all the metadata it finds to the metadata card. This will save you time, reduce the barrier for adding new documents, and improves the quality and quantity of metadata, which in turn improves, for example, the findability, permissions, and workflows of the document. The extraction rules are defined by the administrator and can be customized to meet your organization's needs. By clicking the info icons next to the properties, you can see why M-Files Aino added these values. Aino can read, understand, and interact in many languages, and will respond in the language of your question. The language of the chat doesn't need to be the same as the language of the document to which the chat relates. So, for instance, if you're working with people of different nationalities who create documents in their native language, Aino will help you with the contents by giving you answers in your language. This doesn't mean that Aino can translate the document, but it can help you understand what the document is about. With M-Files Aino AI Assistant, information in M-Files becomes an easily accessible knowledge bank. Summarizing documents saves time and allows knowledge workers to process more information faster, and interacting with natural language makes work feel easier and more enjoyable. I hope you have an understanding of the power of M-Files Aino and how it can transform the way you work. If you want to know more about M-Files, watch another video, and I'll be there waiting for you.